best of your health and conditions. Yesterday was the Geeta Jayanti, as we celebrated yesterday, and it was the day when Lord Krishna had recited the Bhagavad Gita to Arjun. And Bhagavad Gita is not just a conversation between Arjun and Krishna, it is indeed a conversation between all of us. Arjun is a representative of all the earthlings. So, as the maths day is coming up, we are going to confine our talk with the relation between mathematics and Bhagavad Gita. Hello everyone, this is Nikunj Tripathi and let's begin. There are three ways by which we can relate Bhagavad Gita and mathematics. The first one is the concept of time count. We have 4 yugas in Sanatana Dharma. When these 4 yugas are repeated 1,000 times, we call it a kalpa. One day of Brahmaji is equal to 1 kalpa and so is 1 night. Now to get the duration of 1 kalpa, we have to find the duration of all the 4 yugas. So the 4 yugas are in the ratio of 4:3:2:1. Now this is the concept of ratio in mathematics. When we add all these numbers, we get 10. So what we conclude is that the duration of all the kalpas, all the 4 yugas, which is a kalpa repeated 1,000 times. So duration of 1 kalpa is equivalent to the duration of 10 kalyugas, which is 4320000 earth years. Now we multiply that by 2 to get the duration of 1 complete night and 1 complete day. And we further multiply it by 365 to get the duration of 1 year. Now if we further multiply that by 100, since the lifetime of Lord Brahma is of 100 years, then we get the number as 311 trillions and 40 billion earth years. This is the lifetime of Lord Brahma according to earth years. And as the shlok 17 of chapter 8 states, Sahasra Yuga Paryantam Aharyat Brahmano Viduhu Ratri Yuga Sahastrantam Teho Ratri Vido Janaha. This is what I explained to you till now. The second concept in Bhagavad Gita relatively to mathematics is the concept of attaining moksha. Now moksha can be attained when the sum of all our karmas is 0. We do karmas in our lifetime, yes, and we can form an expression of x plus y plus z and should equal to 0. Now we don't have to take 3 variables as such, we can take as many variables as we want because we don't do a counted number of karmas. Even doing nothing is a karma itself. So infinite amount of variables we can take and the answer should be 0. And this concept, this expression can be related to the concept of moksha. Now how to make this sum of all our karmas 0? As the chapter 9 shlok number 27 states, Yat karoshi yadashnashi yat juhusi dadasi yat tapasyasi konteya tat kurushva madarpanam. This means that whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer, whatever you give away, in fact whatever tap you do, O son of Kunti, dedicate all those as an offering to me. So dedication of action, dedication of all our karmas to Lord Krishna is one of the ways by which we can attain moksha. The second way, as the chapter 18 shlok number 66 states, Sarva dharman parityajya mamekam sharanam vraja aham tvam sarva papebhyo mokshayishami ma shachah. This means that renunciation of everything, in fact renunciation of even dharma, if Lord Krishna says, is one part to lead us to moksha. How? Aham tvam sarva papebhyo. I am gonna destroy all the reactions of your bad karmas. Do not fear. So renunciation of everything, doing what Krishna has said blindly is what leads us to moksha in the second method. And both of these methods lead us to bhakti. So ultimately the path of bhakti is what leads us to path of moksha. Now the third concept we come across is the concept of infinity. So as the universe is completely continuously expanding, we conclude that there are infinite amount of atoms in our universe. And in Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna has stated that he is present in every single atom. So his manifestations are infinite. Although in the Bhagavad Gita, he states that he is Samved in the Vedas, he is Sheshnag in the Sarpas, he is Sheshnag in the Nagas, and he is Vasuki in the Sarpas, then he is people tree in the trees, he is Garuda in the birds. These are the most prominent expansions of Lord Krishna. Remember the word prominent because his manifestations are infinite, uncountable. So as we come across the concept of real numbers in mathematics, which are also infinite, his manifestations are also infinite. So infinity, real numbers and Lord Krishna are having no difference at all. So these are the three ways I told you to relate mathematics with Bhagavad Gita. However, you can relate more with Bhagavad Gita. So let us all read Bhagavad Gita and find that out ourselves. Thank you very much.